In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Tesla Model 3. Let's go! As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!